The first set of beneficiaries of the Presidential Compressed Natural Gas Conversion Implementation Initiative are present with the team as they hand over the first set of the kits to the personnel of Portland Gas at Ojota Interchange Terminal in Lagos.
We are pushing out 10,000 kits, activating 1,000 kits across.
Under the initiative, the first 50 transport operators will be given the kits free of charge. Those present have come to take advantage of the government's largesse as they are made to understand how the conversion is done.
Electrofit CNG on it.
Commercial Operations Manager, Presidential Compressed Natural Gas Conversion, Omo Imokwede, speaks on the importance of the initiative.
We all know the impact of the fuel price, and we understand fully that we have alternatives. Gas is one of them. And for you to fill up your car right now, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. But if you convert to CNG, you're looking at savings of almost 80% in comparison to how much you actually spend on petrol.
Some of the transport operators on the ground expressed their opinion on how it will enhance their business.
Some of our drivers have done it, and it's very, very far cheaper than the cost of fuel.
When we learned that when you change to the gas, the price of the gas is so cheaper. That is why we are here.
The team moves to other conversion centers in Isolo and Bagada to hand over more kits.
Nigeria is more or less like a gas country, and we have to leverage on that for our energy security purpose. So I really believe that this partnership will continue, and we will see how best we can also assist the government in pushing it.
CNG is a safe gas. It's safer than your petrol combustion. It reduces emissions, so it promotes cleaner energy.
The Presidential Compressed Natural Gas Initiative aims to transform Nigeria's transportation by introducing over 11,500 CNG-enabled vehicles and 55,000 conversion kits for petrol vehicles. The initiative was launched under the directive of President Bola Tinubu, in line with the government's drive towards energy diversification, reduction of energy costs, and the general cost of living for Nigerians.